kahit tanungin niyo ako, wala akong best friend eh. Kasi wala, nag-struggle talaga ako sa ganung bagay before, which is sobrang swerte ko na nandiyan yung Diyos na parang alam kong anytime may mapok na kami sasandalan.
Could it be fate or random circumstance? At the right place at the right time, two roads intertwined.
Si Ate Feline tsaka si Doc V, ang ganda.
Smell their lives to make us fuel and fight. They know wherever you will
Sa mga kaibigan ko po, si Doc V and si Gwen, at ang buong
Close your eyes, try it, see.